A lot of professionals helping couples with erectile dysfunction and intimacy challenges still don't realize that supportive alternatives like RX Sleeve exist. At RX Sleeve, we've spoken with countless individuals and couples dealing with confidence issues, relationship pressure, and intimacy struggles. And many are simply looking for a practical option that may help restore connection and consistency. That's why we created the RX Sleeve Professional Referral Program. If you're a sex therapist, intimacy coach, relationship counselor, educator, or work with clients navigating ED-related challenges, this may be a valuable resource to have available for the people you help every day. The goal is simple: help more couples discover supportive alternatives that may improve confidence, reduce pressure, and restore intimacy. And because awareness matters, professionals in our referral program also receive 10% referral compensation, educational access to the product, a simple way to introduce an additional supportive option to appropriate clients. When intimacy improves, relationships often improve with it. To learn more or apply, visit rxsleeve.com Professional Referral Program.